Folks, I've been looking at this spectacle for the past half hour. I'm parked at the side of the road for the evening, and you have this. They remove asphalt, and the coordination between the truck driver and the asphalt remover is just by honking. Just by honking. And yeah. And once they fill up one, another one gets in place. And it's been like that for half an hour now. Now, they don't move fast, but they don't have to. I mean, I've been seeing how they remove asphalt back home. It's nowhere near this efficient. Nowhere near this efficient.